Okay, here's a video on how to record your FPV video onto a smartphone. I'm going to use the LG G3 and it has to have a program. I'm using FPV Viewer, so it's FPV Viewer. That one is already installed. Okay, and Video DVR. It has an OTG cable, USB on one side and micro USB on the other side, and it has 4 wires and I'm using only the yellow one. That's the video, and the video is going into the receiver. The right cable is 12 volts DC. Okay, and here's a small video camera and video transmitter. Is the FX798T. Okay, and the battery from the Syma X5C. Okay, so let's start the video camera, and this one is transmitting the signal already. Let's plug in the 12 volts DC for the receiver. Okay, and as soon as I will connect the DVR to the phone with this cable, it should already start recording. I set it up that way. And here it is, start record, it says here on the top, and that's my hand in front of the camera, this small thing. Okay, so it's capturing the video, it's transmitting the video to here, this one is sending it here, that sends it to the phone records it into the internal memory, and that's it. If we tap on it, we have full screen, it's a bit larger. Okay, we have stop, and we have this goggle view, 2 different screens. Okay, and we have the stop button to stop the recording. Stop recording is shown there. Okay, so if I disconnect the power from the receiver, it's blank. Okay, let's get out from there, start the program again. There's a video already. Let's unplug it. Now it says disconnected and it's red also. Let's disconnect the small camera, and here is the video that we just captured. And no, there's no sound, there's the brightness, it's interlaced as I see, so there is no sound but video. And this is the footage captured by the smartphone from a small FPV camera. Okay, so that's how to record the FPV video from your quadcopter onto your smartphone. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.